brought the food. Ready? We brought the food, guys.
We came home from camping.
And a bird was lying on like.
Where was it? Up there? What kind of bird?
Finch.
A baby finch. They came out of their nest, so we had to move their nest, which we know we shouldn't have done. But the wind was blowing them so hard they were gonna die unless we moved them. So what did we do?
We put them in like a little like flower plant, and then we put that for the wind.
Right, and their mommy can't find them, right? She's looking. She's right up there. Can you see her up there?
Their names are 3, 2, 1. Henry, Ash, Leba, and Cadence. The one we saved name is Leba because in German that means love. Yeah. And they're really cute.
He's like, give me more. Don't choke him. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness.
He wants more stuff.
Close your mouth.
There we go.
Oh, we ate it. Okay, what about the other ones? We could maybe leave some in their little nest and they can find them. Oh, goodness.
Open your mouth.
Open. Oh, he's like, don't jump. Oh, yeah, there you go.